Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm featuring this hair from Nadula hair. Baby, let's get into it. I tried to do a little straight look on the girls today, but I don't know, like I don't really like straight on me. But yeah, so this is a 13x4 body wave lace wig. This is actually 26 inches, so this is how it looks. It is so freaking gorgeous. It straightens so well. Shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested, all the links will be listed down below for this hair. And I'm also going to insert a clip right now on the hair and how I receive it out of the package. As you can see, here's the 13x4 lace. It does come with combs here on the side as well as the back, as well as adjustable straps. I love, love, love a good body wave, okay? It just curls so beautifully. Sorry y'all, I have to do this intro and outro with Zane because he's scratching at the door. Zane, good camera. Hey. Zane is such a cute man. He's such a cute man. Now before we get into the video, if you are new here, hey girl, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like my vibe, my personality, or whatever, make sure you click the subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell, and you're notified each and every time I upload a video. And then also don't forget to follow me at idesign8 on Instagram so you can catch some of my fashion posts as well as life updates over there. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do it with Zane. He's going to sleep. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright you guys, so I've already washed the hair and this is just how it looks. We're gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna speed this part up because you know we all know how to blow dry hair, okay?
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same.
I'll put a little bit of like powder and foundation, as you can see on the lace.
Cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking.
Alright you guys, so we're just trying to get this together. I'm not going to like lay these sides down, if you can see, because one, the hair is going to cover it, so nobody's going to see it, but also like I just always have like a hard time, like you can see I have a lot I have like very thick sideburns and the wig never matches my hairline, so I'm not just going to worry about doing that.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness.
Alright, Design Squad, so that completes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below letting me know your thought on this hair unit. Is it we feeling it or is we not? Again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box down below if you are interested in this hair, girl. And I will see you in my next video. I'm so annoying. Zane said you get on my nerves.